Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is obviously a Confessions of the Paper Addict cup file shop, and I use the stack of teacups. And what I decided to do is that Close to My Heart had a brand new collection called Pumpkin Spice, and I also pulled out the Noteworthy collection as well and tied it all together. Oh my god, I love this layout. It is so perfect. So over the past weekend, I took this picture of the sign that my Starbucks has. So you guys all know, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I am a military spouse and I live on an installation and we have Starbucks, and the Starbucks that I have has this sign that says pumpkin spice and everything nice, I think is what it is. And so that is what I took a picture of. I have my Starbucks cups there, but I really don't care about the Starbucks cup per se, because y'all know that I love Starbucks. So my thing was, I wanted the sign itself. So what I did was that I took out my Dana Weeklies, my gold and my white. Now, I'll link the cup file down below, and you could totally turn these cups into, I think it's called like a stack of cups is what it's called. So you could turn it into a teacup, you could use it for whatever, coffee, whatever you'd like. And that'll link down below. And then all of my collections that I used for Close to My Heart, I'll link that down below as well, because this is brand new and I absolutely love this collection. Like, I could get like 30 of these and be completely fine because I just love it. But I only did get one because I'm one of them that I use it and then it's done and I do not order it again or get it again, just because that's just how I am. So I am backed it with some foam tape, backed it up with Noteworthy paper. I will link all of that down below as well, just so that you know. And what I decided to do was that all of the papers that I used was from Noteworthy, and it was like either a mixing collection or something like that is what I used for the cups. And then the flowers, I took the backs of one of the pattern papers and did that as well. And I absolutely love the colors, the way it turned out. And so there's my photo. That is what I was talking about. Yeah, it says pumpkin spice and everything else. Or everything nice or something like that. Yeah, everything nice. And yeah, I love the sign. They did such a really good job with it. I mean, I'm a Starbucks junkie anyway, so if I would see anything like this, I would probably take my photo by it, and I wouldn't even think twice of it. So yeah, it's been a crazy, golly, it's just been crazy. I've never, like, this is the first time ever that I have done a layout the night before, got home, did my college, uploaded it. This year has just been nuts, and I mean, normally I don't do the voiceover and then throw this up on my channel right away, but I'm doing that because it's not even college. School has just been nuts. Like, I'm getting ready to go back out again. My class, like, I don't know if it's the well, I'm not going to say it. I don't know if it's the parents. I don't know if it's my school. No, it's not my school because we do really good cleaning. I don't know what it is. But this will be the second time in 2 months that my kids are going to go out. I have this feeling because I had to send home 2 kids. Because the parents aren't keeping them home. And you know, so it's just been nuts. So anyway, school has just been crazy. We did get some learn from home days. My district was nice enough, so we have this week in November, and Veterans Day weekend lands. I'm telling you this, lands on a Thursday, so Veterans Day. So they were gonna make us go to school on a Friday, so we would have went to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, had Thursday off, and come back to school Friday. We all know what those kids would be like. We all know it. I don't even have to say it. They all would be insane. They don't want to do any work. They wouldn't want to do any work. So when the school board came back and gave us some learn from home, so we still have to teach and stuff, but I don't have to go into school, and I can mute all my kids. Again, I'm going to say it again. I can mute all my kids. Y'all want to be crazy? Fine by me. I'm going to mute you. So luckily, so that weekend I have a 4-day weekend. We come back for a week, and then I got Thanksgiving off. So that was like fantastic. I love it. So I love that. I thought it was perfect. So there's a couple of days that, like for me, I can go into school if I want to, or I don't have to. So it, it works out in any which way, shape, or form if for that type of a respect. So yeah, I'm almost done here. I did do my splatters. I did get out some sequins. Now the sequins, I looked, and unfortunately this collection that I use is no longer available, but you can use any sequins. It's from Spiegel Mom Scraps. There's my gold. And then I kind of stare at it, and then I decided, you know what? I'm going to take my black and white markers, and I'm going to doodle around everything. So I doodle white around the leaves and the harbor color that's linked there on that one side, and then black as you're seeing here, right here. So that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I do upload at least about two to three times a week. I also do collaborations. I am a close to my heart consultant. Confessions is where I get all of my cup files. They're amazing. Go check them out. I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.